Let's start. Today we will see how to use the value when function in the Tradingview Pine script. This is the indicator function with name, value when. Then we have used the value when function. We will use this function only when the close is greater than the open, which means when the bar is bullish. Next, if the bar is bullish, we will retrieve the close value of the bar. And finally, we use 0 in the function. This argument is the occurrence attribute. 0th means the current value. If I had written 1 over here, then the function would have fetched the previous occurrence's value. And then we plot this value on the chart. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, when the bar is bullish, we fetch the close value and plot it on the chart. And when the bar is bearish, we don't fetch any new value, but use the old values only. So this value when function is fetching the close values when the bars are bullish. So that's it. That's how you can implement the value when function in the Tradingview Pine script. Thanks for watching.